in this part of the third lecture we are going to talk about something new, which is creating the table of content. At the beginning we are going to create the table of content manually, then the Microsoft Word also provides something else, which is creating this kind of table of content automatically, and then we can create a table of figures, and then how to create a citation in Microsoft Word. And let's see what's table of content. For example, in every book or some articles and everything you are writing in your reports or your assignments, you may have to use something which is called table of content. This is the table of content which includes all the outlines, all the titles and the subtitles inside your document. So for example, this one is chapter 1 and 1.1 is this thing, and it tells you where this title or subtitle is located in your document. For example, the introduction is in page 8 and the subtitle is in page 15. So at the beginning we are going to talk about the creating table of content manually, which you need to do everything by yourself. But this one is not the best one, because whenever you are adding something new, some title or some new title, some new subtitle into your document, you need to do it manually. You need to repeat everything manually. So let's take an example of it. To do this, let's assume that we have some titles in our document, and we say, for example, one is for example, main title. And when we did that, we need to go to the layout tab in the Microsoft Word and click on this one, and a new box is going to be opened. Here you are going to click on tabs. When you click on tab, a new box message is going to be, or a new window is going to be opened. Here you are going to set the position. For example, we have set the position to 6.2, which is going to be located here. That means the end of the line is going to be located in there. And where should be our alignment? So the alignment is going to be right, for example, and this is going to be the style, this one or this one or this one. Let's say this one, and we say okay. So that means when you press the tab button on your keyboard, these dotted lines are this dotted line is going to be created, and manually you need to set the page number. For example, this title may be in page number 6, and press enter. And for the other contents, you need to repeat everything as we did before. For example, the second title named is second title, for example. When you did that, just press tab, those dotted lines are going to be created, and let's assume that this second title is in page number 8. Okay, we did that, and press enter, and let's say third title, and then press tab button on the keyboard and manually write down the page number. So this is how you can create the table of content manually. In order to create the table of content automatically, we need to do something. For example, in this text we have this main title, this title, second title, and the third title. And in the main title we have got this paragraph, and we know that only the titles or the main title and the subtitles are going to be appeared on the table of contents. So the paragraphs or the content of the text, the content of the document is not going to be included inside the table of content. But in order to do that automatically, you need to select those titles or that title which you want to be in the table of content. So we just selected that one and apply a heading on it. Okay, so we are going to apply this one, heading 1, and this one as well, heading 1, also this one, heading 1. Okay, so we did that. And whenever you want your table of content to be present, you need to just go to the click there and go to the reference, and then click on the table of contents. Some styles are going to be available over there, so just click on this one. So let's see, the table of content is going to be automatically inserted with everything included, including the page number. And something else to be talking about, we can say we've got the fourth title. Okay, we may have another title. Just click on it. Sorry, just click on this one and go to apply another the same heading to it. So you see the fourth title is now appeared on the table of content. To do this, you just go back to the reference and say update table. Okay, so and then update the entire table. Okay, so you see the fourth title is appeared there just by one click. So this way is better, and it's the most optimum way, because it creates everything automatically, including the page numbers. So those titles are all in page number 1. That's why the whole page numbers are 1. To be talking about, we may have some subtitles. For example, in the second title we can have 2.1 first subtitle. So we may have that one. How to make it appear in the table of the content? We just click on it and choose, for the main titles we choose the heading 1. So for the subtitles we are going to choose the heading 2. So you just click on it, and you can give each title a number 1, 2, and you can do it automatically, 3 and 4. And then when you did that, when you just gave a heading to the subtitles, you just go to the reference and update table. So you click entire table, and then look, it appears. So it's supposed to be 2.1. You just click on 2.1, just update it again, update entire table. Okay, so it is becoming 2.1, and everything is going to be done automatically. And in order to insert a table of figures, for example, in your document you may have some pictures or some figures. You just go to the, for example, you are just getting some pictures, insert picture, and you are getting this butterfly, and we need to click on it, and then on the reference click on the insert caption. Okay, just click on the insert caption. Here you are going to give it a name. For example, figure 1 is what beautiful flower and a butterfly or whatever. Just click OK. You see the figure, the caption is going to be inserted. Let's insert another picture. What is it? And so let's take this city. Okay, the city is appeared here. Just click on it, and then click on the reference, and then insert caption figure 2. What is figure 2? Is a city. Okay, click on OK. So you see the caption is inserted. Now how can we make a table of figure? Just click on the reference tab, please click on the insert table of figures, and it tells you which format you are appearing, or whatever, which style you prefer. Just click on OK. You see the list of figure or the table of figure is inserted automatically. And the last thing to be talking about is the academic referencing and auto referencing, and list of references or by bibliographies and those kind of things. How we can make it in your document. For example, you've written a paragraph and you've cited somewhere. You just click on the reference tab and then insert citation, and then add new source. I've already added a new one, but we are going to add a new one. And let's say the source we are going to get from is a book, or you can say book section, article, or conference paper, or whatever. Let's say it's a book. The author is, for example, someone, and the title is it having a cooperative author? Let's say yes, let's say no. If you want to mention all the authors according to the referencing style or citation style, you may added. And then let's say the title is title 1 and the year is 2020 and the city is city name and the publisher is organization 1, for example. You just click on OK. Look, it inserts the citation. And then, for example, whenever you want to insert a new citation, you just click on this one, and I've already added this one, so you just click on that one. It inserts the citation. And we know that at the end of each report or assignment, not assignment, a report or conference paper or journal paper, we need to add the list of references. On the reference type, we just click on the bibliography. It shows you some styles, and you click on that style which you prefer. A list of references is going to be added, as I did that one before, and we just did this one. Whenever you are inserting a new one, you just updating the bibliography automatically, so everything is going to be inserted automatically.